Everything you need to know about LinkedIn impressions broken down in this simple video. In this video, you are going to learn what LinkedIn impressions actually are and how they're counted, how to see impressions on your posts and comments, what a good number of impressions are for your audience and for the size of your profile, and how to get more impressions so that your content reaches not just any people, but the right people. Stay right until the end for a simple framework you can leverage on your next post to increase your impressions like never before. Okay, let's get into it. Let's first define what LinkedIn impressions are so we're all on the same page. Post impressions are the number of times your post, article, or update appears on someone's LinkedIn feed, whether they engage with that piece of content or not. Impressions are non-unique, meaning one person could generate multiple impressions if they view your post more than once. LinkedIn counts impressions on posts, articles, and even comments. So anywhere that your content is displayed, impressions can add up. Think of impressions as visibility. They tell you how often your content is shown, not how many people have engaged with it. We'll talk LinkedIn engagements in a separate video. Now let's talk about how to see and where to find your LinkedIn impressions. Let's head over to our LinkedIn profiles and I'll share my screen and walk you through it. So we are inside of our LinkedIn profile. On the left-hand side in the home feed, you will see profile viewers and post impressions. So automatically you could already see how many impressions your posts have gotten. Click on that number and that's going to take you into your LinkedIn analytics. You could also get to this page by clicking on me, go to view profile. If you scroll down under analytics, you can also see here your profile views, post impressions, and then the number of times your profile has appeared in searches. If you click show all analytics, that's going to take you into your analytics dashboard. You can then click on the top left box where it says post impressions, and you can click that to go to the same place. Okay, so the number that we saw on our homepage or our home feed was our impressions, post impressions in the last 7 days. So this is how our content is performing. So in your analytics dashboard, we are under posts, and then we have this toggle that's past 7 days and impressions. I can change the amount of time I would like to view my impressions for. So I could say past 28 days, say I want to see my impressions in the last month. Make sure at the top here, I am not on engagement, but impressions. And that's going to show me how my content is performing over the last month. If I scroll down, I could also see what my top performing posts were. And this is top performing by impressions. Keep in mind that a top performing post by impressions may be different from a top performing post by engagement. So same time period, 28 days, I can see here that it's pretty similar in engagements, the top performing post, but keep in mind that may not always be the same. So let's go back over to impressions. I can also see the percentage increase or decrease in my impressions over the last, say, time period, whether it's 30 days, 7 days, etc. So I can always look here, view analytics. If I click on an individual post itself, I can see more in-depth analytics on that specific post. So discovery, when we say impressions, this is the number of time that post showed up on somebody's feed. Okay, so I could see those impressions there. And then the number of members reached as well. LinkedIn also shows you impressions on comments that you have made on your post or on somebody else's post. So let's take a look at that. If I go into my notifications, I will usually get notified if there is a comment that I've left that is increasing in impressions. So that might look something like this. So I could see here, this notification says your comment has gained 360 impressions. So I can click on that and see this comment that I left is getting impressions as well. So it is great. Comments are a great way to increase impressions and visibility on your profile. What's great is that your comments can even go viral. So it's a great strategy to leverage if you are not doing that yet, but your comments gain impressions as well. So that is another way that you can increase the total impressions that your profile is getting week by week. Now I want to address a question that everybody asks. Cindy, what is a good number of impressions? And you might be asking the same question. It's so important to know that benchmarks can vary widely depending on your industry, how large your current account is in terms of number of connections and followers. But very generally, LinkedIn research shows that posts will get between 500 to 3,000 impressions on average. So average means that looking across all the data of LinkedIn, this is what typical posts will get. And yes, that is per post. Of course, viral posts will get way more impressions than that. And sometimes your posts may even fall below average. Always know if your account is smaller, meaning you have less connections and less followers, your impressions will be lower. With larger accounts, with more active and engaged networks, you can expect your post impressions to be higher. Rule of thumb is the more consistent you are with your posting, the more actively you are engaging on LinkedIn and engaging with your network, and of course, the higher quality your content is with strategy, the higher your post impressions are going to be. So although impressions are great and they're a great way to see how often your posts are showing up on people's feeds, I think engagements are a way better tell whether your posts are performing or not. If you want a video breaking down LinkedIn engagement analytics, comment engagement below and I'll record a video if there's enough interest. Now, I'm sure we've all seen those posts on LinkedIn that go viral. I'm talking 50,000 plus impressions. You'll see hundreds, even thousands of likes, thousands of comments, and a lot of reach and visibility. Know that this is not typical, and the average person on LinkedIn will not get a viral post, but that's okay. I always say it is way better to get engagement from your ideal clients or people that you want seeing your posts than 1,000 or 10,000 random people. So impressions are a great way to track visibility, but don't get so caught up on impressions and engagement that you stop posting content. Now to the golden question. How can you get more impressions on your posts? I like to say what the algorithm rewards is what humans actually want. Humans want engaging content. We love stories. We love unique perspectives and insights. So that is the kind of content you want to create. Highly relatable, highly shareable content that your ideal client will raise their hand and say, this person is speaking directly to me. So here are some tips. First, post a combination of authority and visibility content. Authority content positions you as the expert in a certain niche. Maybe you are a women's health expert or a LinkedIn marketing expert. With your authority content, you want to teach your audience something valuable, debunk common industry myths, answer common questions that your audience is already asking, share unique insights and case studies. And on the other side, we have visibility content. This is where you relate to your audience on a human level. Tell stories, share lessons learned. Tell us about how you failed and how you overcame it. Maybe give us a childhood story. Visibility content is relatable content, and it will generally drive more post impressions than your authority content will. But it's good to have a combination of both. Next, you want to be consistent. The best way to see how to get more impressions is by posting consistently. Your audience is telling you what they want to see more of. See what your top performing 3 posts were for the month and double down on those high performers. When you can repeat those top performing posts, that is overall going to increase the visibility and impressions on your profile. Next, optimize for discovery beyond just your profile. Comments are a great way to borrow visibility. That means it's not just your posts, but engaging in other people's content by leaving thoughtful and valuable comments puts your profile and your comments in front of new eyeballs. I've had comments go viral and even achieve more impressions than my actual post did. This is how you borrow visibility and increase your impressions overall. So there you have it. That is all you need to know around LinkedIn impressions. If you found this video helpful, will you give it a thumbs up? It helps so much. Make sure you comment engagement if you want me to break down how to look at your engagement on LinkedIn, how to increase your engagement, And also drop any questions that you have around LinkedIn impressions and all things LinkedIn. I'm happy to answer. Connect with me on LinkedIn and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not subscribed just yet. I post weekly content to help you level up on LinkedIn. Okay, this is Cindy Dodd, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.